Is Ssense legit? Ssensecom review, leading and emerging designers. Is Ssense legit? Ssensecom review, leading and emerging designers. If you're shopping for luxury fashion online, Ssensecom is a name that often comes up. But is it trustworthy? Or could it be a scam? Most people get this wrong by assuming high-end fashion websites with huge selections must be fake. The surprising truth is that Ssense is a legitimate and reputable online retailer. They carry both established and emerging designer brands offering authentic clothing, shoes and accessories. Customers appreciate the curated selections, detailed product descriptions, and professional packaging. You won't believe what happens next. Some buyers report longer shipping times for international orders, but the products are consistently authentic and high quality. Ssense also offers secure payment methods, a reliable return policy, and frequent sales or promotions. To shop safely, use official channels, read sizing guides and check return policies before purchasing. Avoid third-party resellers claiming to offer the same discounts, as these may not be authorized. In conclusion, Ssensecom is a legitimate and trusted source for luxury fashion. While international shipping can take time, its reputation, authentic products and wide range of designers make it a go-to destination for fashion enthusiasts seeking quality and style.